Hey guys, it's JD, the mobile trader, coming to you on the Mobile Trader Network. We're coming into the close, and one of our members just called out a great call on Visa. She caught it. She's been tracking it all day. Jamelin uh, got the daily chart. It's kind of congested on here right now. Daily chart looks good on Visa for me. The breakout on the reversal right here, but the call out that we got, perfect reversal, breakout, tested, pull back, and then came back with strength. RSI's in check. Let's see what the weekly looks like. Outstanding weekly. And if we want to just draw a trend line on that weekly, I can remove this. Let's go right anywhere in here. Bam. Perfect trend. We can call it an ascending triangle if we like, whatever. But what I did like today on the 5-minute chart, had a breakout, overbought, pulled back, kind of just trending right now along the 10 EMA, and volume is increasing going into the close. I like that consolidation. We had the moving average stack. This is a great place. So she was looking at a couple of options. I hopped into the February 19th, 210 call, 46 Delta, falls right in line, 8,000 open interest. Let me write that down on my 830 open interest. I always chart that. I need to know the volume upon entry, 3049. I like to know the volume. I don't need to. 21 IV is great because it was 15 IV when I was getting in. So increasing implied volatility is now standing. We were at a very low implied vols. Uh, I can actually add to this position at 46 Delta. Let's see. The entry, what was my entry? I'm down probably. I'm up 250. Entry price was $3.20. What's the chart looking like? Just a lot of tails on the bottom is a good thing. That's bullish for me. Might have a little profit taken right there after the full day, but we had profit taking here basically. So that's a climactic finish right there. Pull back. Let's just see where we go with this, and then I might add a share at the end of the day. Let's put AMC over here. I think we're broadcasting. Yeah, man, we're broadcasting on live and direct on this thing. AMC is down to 705. Look, for people getting on people for taking profit, what's the end game? You just gonna keep the shares for? Well, now AMC is a little different. AMC is a little different. I still think you need to read the chart, and it can go either way. AMC it does have a chance to come back post pandemic, and people could be in at a good position. But if you're up millions and hundreds of thousands and thousands, go ahead and take profit, and then read a chart, and then look for a re-entry. Now, if you're shorting them, that's a risk because you never know. But I'm in puts. I just look for an entry. But here we go. Found a little support on that's a 10 EMAs coming down to test this other moving average on my screen. Let's see something real quick. AMD sold off and selling off into the close. Tesla found support. ARC should put ARC down here with Tesla. ARC should find support. ARC had a weird looking day. GameStop is dumping into the close, man. That might be ugly after hours. And Tesla's getting okay, let's take a look. All right, we have a doji forming right here at this EMA. Sell off in this legit support right in this range right here. So it could kiss this EMA. I mean, moving average. What time? Okay. Okay, I do. I would like to buy an additional share. Look at that trend line, man. That is just devastatingly down. A lot of people trapped in there just to hold. If you got bill money in there, I mean, the movement didn't cover those bills, man. I mean, the the Reddit Army knocked off two major players, Melvin Capital, and they forced well, Andrew left Citron, whatever. I don't even know the name, but Andrew left's fund. It it 100% loss. You made Goliath blink, literally. My son was the one who told me about these trades and he understands taking profit too. Here we go, guys. Let me get into this last move on Visa, and we will add to the position. All right, at 315. So we're in at three contracts, average price of 315. So 315. Volume has moved from not heavily from 3,049 to 3,056 since the last delta's still the same. We're trading at 208.88. I'm in at 209.01. So let's see what the chart looks like. We have 7 minutes. That was the look. We touched that moving average and found support. Basically, micro double bottom, volumes coming in. That was a great entry. Um, what was the entry on that? I like to know my entry on the when I buy the option. Entry price of the underlying. It was 208.79. Again, I have to shout out Jamlin Akins again. Put the government on there. I'm sorry, but it's on your. There you go. Look at that volume coming in. It was a perfect setup. She's been watching it all day for a scalp, but this is set up for more than a scalp. We're set up for a swing trade on Visa, and I'm thinking if Visa's moving like that, MasterCard has already moved. And let's take a look at MasterCard. Yeah, MasterCard's moved, and MasterCard has a little push going into the close, but the context isn't as clean as Visa's right now. Have some overhead to apply, but that's a great reversal. A nice trend candle. It's the signal and the entry candle. Continuation with volume, big volume going into the close. MasterCard is also a buy going into the close. I'm staying with Visa. Wow, Jamelin, thank you. Let's go back to AMC in the place to be. Uh-oh. Nothing to do with the market. My rhymes almost came in. I've been waiting 40 years to rap. It's just, I can't do it. My wife said, how did I marry this ninja? Said the other night. I'm not playing tough guy. Okay, there we go. We tested that moving average, found support, pushed in, and volume came in like it meant something. Oh, that's nice. 209.13. I'm sure we're in profit, but I mean, I don't need to check profit, but I just like to, sometimes I need to get away from that. But nice little press, but that's not what we're looking for. I need to set my stop really. Um, do that. 3, 315, 60, 90. Yeah, we go 230. Let's see what the price action puts me. $2.30. Stop. Good till cancel. On Thinkorswim, you can see what the price correlation is. So 207.50, give or take, is going to be the alert area, but 230 is the stop on the option premium. $2.30. So 207.50 is a real good spot. Because really, if we come below this area, there's a bear. It's a bear case. It's a legit bear case. Put the price. Bam. Mm. Yeah, I was looking at. Well, I didn't look at. I'm in Square. But I love. Great job on the financial sector. Been holding Square for a minute. Let's go back to the big board. Qs are pushing into the close. There it is, Visa. Look at that volume. Just that's when you just add to something. I'm adding, guys. I'm adding another one. We look to get out tomorrow morning. 340. So what's the and the spread was a little wide. It's that's why the negative right there. But look at this push. We got volume, big volume going into the close. If you have a big account, most people are pushing that. There's a double top right there. I mean, the thing could run. You could get in and get a quick scalp if that was the move. But I still feel the daily chart is so strong and the weekly is so strong on this Visa that now what I did not check, does Visa have earnings? Sympathy play for PayPal, which report okay, good. Great call, great call. And then analyst upbeat upgrade. Said Ethereum. Okay, that's cool. All right, guys, that's a kick and close right there. Power hour. I'm gonna stop recording. Okay, Mobile Trader Network guys. If you're watching this on what YouTube, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. Uh, just keep watching. All right.